Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be sharing with you another Ghana jollof rice, and this time I'm going to be using salted beef, and I'll be adding some vegetables and fried beef, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So stay with me as I share with you Ghana party jollof rice. So I have these ingredients. I'll be using beef, jasmine rice, celery sticks, thyme, rosemary and sage, also sweet chili pepper. I also have here cow ghee. I bought this from the Indian shop. It's very flavorful, so you can find one from the Indian shop and you can try it. It's very nice. I also have here chopped onion, carrots, spring onion, tomato puree, tomato paste, salted beef, snow peas, and for the spices I'm going to be using curry powder, turmeric powder, ginger onion powder, seasoning cube, beef seasoning powder, and all-purpose powder seasoning. I also have here paprika powder and chili powder, some salt, vegetable oil. I also have here shrimp and herring powder, also bay leaf mixed spices and dry rosemary. So I'll start by cutting the bell pepper and the celery stick together, and I'm going to be blending it with the ginger, onion, garlic, and I'll be listing the ingredients in the description box below. And please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. So to my blender I'm going to add all the ginger, onion, garlic, celery stick, sweet bell pepper, the sage, thyme and rosemary all together. And I'll add a little bit of oil, water to it. I'll cover and then blend it. So after blending, I'll pour it in a small bowl and then I'll set it aside. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. So this is authentic Ghana jollof, and I hope you will try this. It's very flavorful. So please don't go anywhere, stay with me. So to another saucepan, I'm going to add the beef, and I'll be seasoning it with the ginger, onion, and the other herbs, spices mixture. I'll be using half of it to marinate the beef, and then I'll be cooking it for about 10 minutes. I'll add all the seasoning. I'll also add some salt to it. So I'm going to cover and cook on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. So at this point it's all done. I'll set it aside, and to another bowl, saucepan, I'm going to heat oil and fry the beef. So I'm going to fry it until it's golden brown, and then I'll set it aside. So I've been frying it for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's all done. I'm going to go ahead and use the same oil to fry the salted beef. So if you haven't tried salted beef, you can try it. It's very nice and full of flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add the paprika powder together with the chili powder. Now I'm going to add the tomato paste. So I'll be frying the tomato paste for about 5 minutes, because it can sometimes be sour, so I want to cook it very well to get rid of the sour taste. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp and herring powder together with the turmeric powder, the curry powder, and the all-purpose seasoning, and also the dry rosemary and the bay leaf. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover and let it cook for a few minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the beef stock, stir it again, and cover and cook for another few minutes. Now I have washed my rice, so I'm going to add it to the stew. So at this point, I'm not going to add any more water to it, because we want the heat to cook the jollof rice, and we want all the flavors inside the jollof rice. So I've now added some salt to it, and I'll cover it and cook on a low heat. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the cow ghee. It's very flavorful, so you can find one from the Indian shop, and add some to your jollof rice. Trust me, you will like it so much. So I covered it and cooked on a low heat for another few minutes, and I'm giving it a quick stir. Now I'm going to go ahead and use clinch wrap or clinch foil to cover and let the heat cook it. So we want all the flavors inside the jollof. So I'm still not going to add any water to it until it's necessary for me to add water to it. Now at this point I'm going to add the vegetables, carrot and snow peas, and I don't want to overcook it, so it's almost done. So I'm going to go ahead and add the fried beef to it. And at this point, our jollof rice is all done, very flavorful. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. And this is authentic Ghana jollof. And please like, share and also comment. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.